All right, so let's talk about how to customize your notifications. Now, I think we all have experienced receiving too many notifications from too many different things. And what happens is we get numbed out and we tend not to check whatever platform it is that we're getting notified about all the time. We don't want that to happen here because remember, this community is a place of love and support and it's all based on our health foundation. So it's worth checking in, and I do think that it's worth receiving notifications about. I've turned off most notifications on my phone except for my business line and then also SuperHumans United because I feel like this is really important and it's worth my time and it's worth me getting notified so that I can check in with everyone. All right, so it's a personal preference as far as how you set that up. So to set up your notifications, you'd click on your profile icon, go to your settings, click on notifications, and you have the option to receive email update notifications and or mobile notifications. So I do have mobile notifications set up on my phone, and if I were to do email notifications, I could choose to have an email sent every time I get a notification, or I could have a daily digest where I have all my emails summarized from a day in one post or one email. All right, so again, personal preference. Most people don't like to have both of these. I have found it useful to have a daily digest email that reminds me of all the different stuff that happened in the day, but I do also receive push mobile notifications on my phone. Now, if I scroll down from here, I can customize what I get notified about. I think this is really useful and powerful. So you can just read through this and see which things resonate with you and toggle on or off the things that you want to receive notifications for. Also, you can receive notifications for groups and courses that you're a part of, and as we grow, as we get bigger, you're going to be a part of more and more stuff, and so you can customize what you receive notifications for as far as groups and courses go. All right.